Welcome to the Easy Garage. What's up, guys? And we're about to put the headlining up. I got it right here. Got the headliner. This is the glue, the spray glue I used. It's actually good too. This can about gone. I got another can down here. I got 2 cans. I got more than enough. We're about to put the headliners up. And guys, I put the rims on just to see how they look with the steering wheel. And plus, I'm trying to have it looking a little decent for the car show on July the 23rd. I still got some modifications to do. I want to put my rear end in. Rear end axles in. Still turn the brakes on it. They've been in the building from there. Now I finally got my wheels on the my steering wheel now. And that angle. That's straight. Well, yeah, guys. We better get over here and put this headline on, and I'm gonna spread it out and show y'all how I'm gonna do it. Starting now, I'm recording from my phone, so let me cut y'all off and on. Alright, so I'm gonna get back with you. Okay, guys, you can see I got the headliner folded back even. I gotta fold it back even. There we go. I got the headliner folded back even. So that can I'm gonna start off with this. I'm gonna just show y'all how it look once I spray it on. It look like spider web. So it stick real good. It stick real good. Let me clean the tip of it so I can spray out good. Give me 1 second, guys. I apologize for the movements on the camera. That should be good. I can just show y'all guys good, and I'm gonna get to it so I can do it right, so we don't have no bubbles in it, no air pockets. So I'm gonna just show y'all to spray it on, and I'm gonna go from there, and when I'm done with it, I'm gonna show you all the results. So here we go, though. It's supposed to come out wider. I guess the tip need cleaning. And just spray it on there. And y'all did about it, because it might take some glue. It might take some glue. I'm gonna kind of run a circle with it. Like that. It's really like spider web on the carpet. It has this guy on that piece of this spray too. And this is kind of spray. So yeah, guys, this is what I had want to show y'all how it looks. So I'm gonna continue doing this there, and I'm gonna put y'all back on. I'll get the plastic stuff. Alright. There you go, guys. I'm done with it. Got it cut out. Got it looking brand new. I got it looking brand new now. I had to fix this. That's why that thing there. I had to put a piece of cardboard box there to cut that out. Now I put it in the car. And I also did done these already. Already done them. And then I'm getting it right by myself. I'm putting hands on everything. Try to at least. I'm trying to put my hands on everything. If it needs replacing, I'm trying to do it. But this is where we at. I'm about to put it back up there, cut my light hole out somewhere. And I put it back over and find it. And I put in a new light today. We'll get a new light today, hopefully, or sometime soon. So I better hang it up there. But if it don't come, I'm still gonna hang it up. Ain't gonna let that stop me. I'll just have it ready to install once it get here. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna knock this out real quick. And I'm gonna show y'all the result. So stay tuned. All right.